Hey guys, Garrett here from iOS Pro. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 11th gen iPad in yellow today. So let's get started. This is the base model 128 Wi-Fi model. There are two pull tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom. The iPad will now open up. And there we go. There's the iPad in yellow. Put that aside. In the box, we get a paperwork, 20-watt power brick, and a braided USB-C cable. Alright, now we just pull the tab on the iPad, and there we go. There's that nice yellow color. It looks more of a neon color than the bright color in the pictures. Go and power it on, and there we go. The iPad has now booted up. I'm gonna go ahead and set the iPad up off camera. The iPad is now fully set up. On the side, we also have a keyboard connector as well. This also supports the Apple Pencil 1st gen and the USB-C Apple Pencil here. I did get the adapter as well. There's the adapter right there. In running the Geekbench test, my old iPad 4th gen scored 783 on the single core and 1422 on the multi-core. The iPad 11th gen scored 8461 on the single core and 20,378 on the multi-core. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.